Hi, my name's Matt and I ride bicycles. This is my bike. Alright, got Odyssey power ends, Chase Hawk grips. I got the Fly Bikes Lunar bars version 1s. Shadow Conspiracy Strike front load stem flipped upside down, more rise. Animal integrated headset. We got Fit Eddie 2 forks.
Fit Eddie 2 forks.
We got Demolition Bulimia front hub, version 1. DT Swiss spokes, a Blitz rim, and spanking new Fit FAF white wall.
Spanking.
Got the Sunday Fun Day frame. Fit Eddie 2 cranks.
Fit Eddie 2 me cranks.
Got Demolition PC pedals. Shadow Ravager sprocket. Colt 510 chain. Up here, we got the Mongoose C-clamp going hard.
Yeah. Rocking it.
We the People pivotal post.
If you don't have this C-clamp, you're a puss fuck.
And Federal fat seat, nice and squishy.
Just like
Got another Fit FAF white wall in the back. Primo Mix cassette hub. And an Odyssey Hazard light rim. And we got 2 stock pegs.
Yeah.
Now for that hub sound.
It's like your mom's clit.
now for my hub sound.
Hub sound.
Tyler,
Yeah.
now for my demolition hub sound.